Hi, I'm Coco again. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that all-important bell so you will get notified every time we upload the new video to help you with the spinning technical difficulties. How to process such a pipe, like making in precisely and with high efficiency. Today, one of our customers sent us this pipe and require us to produce such kind of shape. So, what kind of machine is suitable for this work? Now let me introduce you our latest high-end customized single-roller CNC metal spinning machine, model WLN-SRS500 110, which is specially designed for the metal tube processing. This machine is equipped with Siemens 808D CNC Controller and a 6-station tooling post. Under the control of the system, this machine can achieve functions such as trimming, edge rolling, pattern rolling, and necking in. This is a 35 kW high-frequency heating device, which can rapidly heat the stainless steel pipe with 6 mm wall thickness. Compared with other heating devices, it has smaller size, faster heating speed, and higher efficiency. It can significantly improve the quality of heated workpieces as well as your economic benefits. In addition, this machine is also equipped with this automatic air blowing device, which could accelerate the cooling speed of the heating pipe, reduce the rebound of the pipe material, and enhance the accuracy of pipe fittings. If you want to know more information about our machines, welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc.